we got some ingredients. Another kitchen adventure. What are we making for dinner tonight?
Pizza.
Biscuit pizzas.
We got the spoon.
Important to have spoons. Biscuits of your choice.
We got this.
We got spaghetti sauce.
We got this.
We like green olives.
We got this.
Gotta have cheese. And we like pepperoni.
We got some more cheese.
Yeah, we like lots of cheese. So come with us. Here we go.
Yeah.
Let's make dinner.
Yeah, let's make dinner.
Okay, first we gotta roll out our biscuits. Can you pull it off? Good job. Maybe pop goes the biscuit. Help me pull them out. Our hands are washed. We're ready to do this thing. All right, and what do we have to do?
Come on.
Squish them down.
I'm gonna make them thin.
We're gonna make them nice and flat.
I'm making them thin.
I like mine still kind of doughy, so I only cook them at like 325, 335. Probably a little under. Yeah, and we just squish them out. And with your palm of your hand, probably a little flour would make it easier, but we're not making it.
I'm done with mine.
Okay, let's pick another one. And obviously you can add whatever toppings you want, right?
Yeah, we can do hummus adding one.
Yeah, like what toppings do you like?
Mommy, I think mine is done.
Okay, put it right there. Or not.
We'll put some cheese on it and pepperoni on it.
Yeah. What
Some
comes
cheese.
first though?
Cheese.
Really? I think red sauce is probably best first. Make everything stick.
Makes everything sick.
That's just my thought.
Mommy, this
We made these lots of times, haven't we?
Mom, that one is too far away.
We're not ready yet. But the oven's ready. So when they're all ready, we can put them in.
Mommy, shall we open this
We will in a minute.
to set this out?
Mm-hmm. Spread it.
Make sure it's flat. You're making sure it's flat.
Mm-hmm.
You're making sure it's flat.
Very important step, isn't it? Alright. Equal distances. Okay. That looks really good. You want to show them?
Yeah.
So now we've got our little pizza.
Mommy, just do the sauce.
Let's do the sauce.
And make sure everything is... Mom, that one is far away.
It is kind of far away. Alright, sauce time.
Sauce time.
Oh, my hands are slippery. Can you do it, Muscles?
No,
Oh, okay, I'll help you. Struggle. Alright. We've got the grippies. Let's do it. I just use ragu because I'm cheap. We're not fancy. Though we might. Daddy had a good idea next time to try La Rosa's sauce because La Rosa's has yummy pizza sauce.
Some more pizza sauce.
If you're not from the Cincinnati-ish area and you've never had La Rosa's, I'm sorry. You are missing out on life.
I think we're covering it up.
Yeah, you did. Wow, that was so good. Try a different one now. You did so good on that one. It definitely has sauce.
Definitely have sauce.
Well, you gotta have sauce to make everything else stick, so it's an important step.
And then stop to keep the pieces all nice and clean.
Clean? I don't know. You kind of have to get them messy, don't you?
Don't you need to get my pizza messy. Mine is
Messy
all
with
done.
toppings.
With toppings.
Yeah, messy with yummy toppings.
Yummy with missing toppings.
Mm-hmm.
Missing toppings.
Yeah. Do you love pizza?
Yeah, I love pizza.
Me too. I love
it
pizza.
really hot when we were this. When I was big, I pooped on my daddy.
That's fun for food prep.
No, last year when I was a baby.
No, it was 2 years ago when you were a little bitty baby.
2 years when I was a baby.
Spread that all out for
my
Mama Bear.
daddy.
Toddlers.
I think I need some more.
I think that is enough sauce.
Let me size it up.
Now, do you want to do cheese next or pepperonis?
Mommy, let's size this up.
Okay, I'll take that for you. Do you want to do cheese or pepperonis?
Cheese.
Okay.
Mom, let's do cheese.
Let's do this one first because it's older. Never been open though. I need scissors, I think. Oh wait, success. All right, let's do it. Make it cheesy. Ooh, we lost some. It's okay. Is one of these specifically going to be yours? Maybe I should put it in a bowl and then we'll just grab it out of the bowl because this one's having trouble coming out.
I think I need some more.
I do too. You definitely need more.
I think that's enough.
All right, take a new one then. And start putting cheese on it.
What new one do you do?
Same thing you are, just on a different pizza.
Different pizza.
We're each just doing different ones.
We're doing lots of waffle pizzas.
Lots of
Mama.
biscuit pizzas.
Mommy.
We might only need one bag tonight.
We need two bags
I
tonight.
don't think we only need one tonight. Just means we'll have cheese left over for another pizza night.
Mommy, we need this one left.
Oh, we don't need it. We're good to go. You want to do pepperonis next?
Pepperonis next.
Now, you aren't a huge fan of pepperonis, so what is your idea? Do you want to leave some of them without?
Yes.
Okay, so how about you pick a couple of them that you don't want to put pepperonis on? That one or that one?
Let me just out the way.
Okay.
And do that another
They're
side.
a little bit freezer burned. But we'll make it work.
Put that.
Oh, I thought you weren't going to put some on that one. We'll pick a different one. I think about 3 or 4 is the perfect amount for a little biscuit. Okay. So you do want pepperonis?
I do it.
You do? Okay.
Mom, I want some more pepperoni.
Yeah, we need lots more pepperonis. I know they're all stucky together. Oh, that one's good. 5 pepperonis?
Yeah.
6 pepperonis? Okay.
Make it wide.
These ones are getting all stuck. Uh-oh. Oh well.
How would we make it down?
You gonna push it down?
I'll push it down.
Okay. Alright, that's
Mom.
not beautiful, but it gets the job done.
Push, push, push.
Okay, you wanna put these 3 on a different one?
Yeah, I need this
Maybe one of these?
Maybe this one.
Yeah, maybe.
Pepperoni. And eat.
It's a pepperoni party. Are you singing a Mother Goose Club song?
Mine sing it. A pizza song.
Okay. Let's make a pizza. Spread out the dough. Oh. You okay?
Pepperoni.
Dangerous business.
Pepperoni. And eat.
Condensed version, I like it.
Okay, so
I like to eat pizza. How about you? How about you guys? You like pizza? Pizza for breakfast and dinner too.
we got this and we shot.
Yummy red sauce and cheesy goo. Take a big bite and chew, chew, chew. Yum,
Mama,
yum,
are we done?
yum. Almost. Then we can do olives.
we're gonna do olives and pepperoni soda.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe we need some more sauce.
I don't think so. I think we covered it. I think the sauce is taken care of.
Mama,
Yeah.
let's do olive next.
Great idea. That's what I was gonna do next, but I gotta clean off my fingers a little. All right, that's glass. Wait 1 second, okay?
Mommy, that's really when it's on this pan.
What?
Mommy, need some spoons.
You're right. Let's get some.
Let's put some spoons on. Let's get some spoons. This is what I need.
Now, do you like the little red parts of the green olives?
Yeah.
You do?
Sprinkle, sprinkle.
All right, here we go. Sorry. You get some out? Perfect.
This is going to be very good.
It is going to be very, 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 very good. I agree.
This is fun making a pizza.
Yeah.
A waffle pizza.
A waffle pizza? Are these waffles?
It looks like
They're biscuits, aren't they?
the Pixix.
Yeah. No, you know, I am going to pour these into a bowl because I think it'll make it a lot easier.
I think it's
No matter how many times we do this, we always learn a new, better way to do it.
I
Oh,
like
yummy.
water.
You like water?
Mm-hmm.
I like water. Alright, we gotta use all these olives now. That will not be a problem. We are an olive-loving family. Let's put them in between us so we both can. This is way better. We can actually get to the olives now.
This one should get it up with my hands. I'm going to do it with my hands.
Well, you wash your hands, so you can use your hands. I believe true chefs use their hands.
Mom, you wash your hands too, cause you can get your hands.
It's true, I prefer a spoon though. I'm not as autistic and hands-on as you are, I guess.
I'm gonna eat the water.
You can eat this. You like olive juice? It's good, huh? Probably horrible for you, but yeah, good.
I'm gonna put all of them in there.
Yep, let's do it. You can eat some of them too if you just want to eat a few. You want to eat a few of those? I know how you love them. You're a very picky girl, but you love green olives. We almost got them all. We've almost done it. Are you hungry? I'm real hungry. All right, we did it. Okay.
Can I eat it?
Yeah, knock yourself out. Here we go. There they are. Now let's put them in the oven. Okay, so we'll put those in for like 15 minutes to start and see what happens. And then we'll have yummy gooey pizza. And Emma likes to look at it while it cooks. What are they doing? Oh, they're baking?
No.
They're not ready yet, are they? But they will be shortly.
Oh, wow.
They want food. The food is ready. Let's eat. All right, that's another adventure. Creeper. It's time for dinner. We hope you had a great day today, had yummy food in your belly, had fun making it. That is all from us. Thanks for coming for our kitchen adventures. Can you say bye?
Bye.
Bye. Thanks for watching.
Bye.